Hi guys, welcome back. This is Rakesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see what is ng switch case in Angular. So this is a last topic on structure directive. So in last video, we had discussed about what is for ng4 structure directive. So let comment this code. Let's comment this code and if I talk about ng switch case, so it is very similar to another programming language. If I talk about JavaScript, if I talk about C programming language, if I hope you have already know about switch statement. So this is a very similar thing here. So switch statement also used for multiple condition. If you have multiple condition, you can easily use switch statement, right? So let's start with the basic definition of switch case, ng switch case. So now here you can see the basic definition of ng switch. The ng switch directive on a container specify an expression to match again. The expression to match are provided by ng switch case directive. On view within the container, every view that match is rendered. If there are no match, a view with the ng switch default directive is rendered. So that means suppose that if you have multiple condition, right? So if condition will match, then it will return a true value, right? If condition will not match, then it will return a default value like ng switch default. Ng switch default also used for default get the default value, right? And ng switch case also used for check the condition, right? So now let's start with the basic real example. So let's move on id. So let's collapse this code, and I will go inside app.component.ts. So first of all, I will create one properties. So I will use a public access modifier. Inside I will write the properties name like you can write something like color, right? So inside color I will assign a value red. So this properties name I will use inside a ng switch statement, right? So first of all I will use div tag. Inside div tag I will use property binding, and right here inside property binding switch ng switch. Property binding, we had already discussed about property binding. What is property binding? It is also kinds of data binding, means binding data from one component to another component, right? So I will assign value color, right? This color properties also will match of value, will match value, and it will return if value will match, then it will return a true value. Then value will not match, then it will return a default value, right? I will use another div tag, and inside div tag I will use asterisk symbol. Whenever we will use any structure directive, you have to use, first of all we have to use a asterisk symbol, right? So I'll write asterisk symbol, and right here in camel case ng switch case, right? Inside ng switch case I will use a string I will write here red. If condition will match, then it will return this value, red value. So I will write here this is a red color, right? And again I will use another condition. I will use three conditions. Second is like yellow, and this is yellow color, and third is, let's say, a green, right? So this is green color, and last is I want to use a default value. I want to get a default value. So I will use just just use here ng switch default, right? Default ng switch default, and here I will write, like you can write, this is default value, right? This is default value. I will save again. First of all, I will save a ts file. Now again, let's move on user interface. Now here you can see that this is a red color because the behind this scene we have set properties name is red, right? Properties value is red. Then it will match this color value. This value of this color is red. Then it is returned. It is rendered this condition, right? So this is a very simple way you can use style. And right here you can use background color, and right here red, and I will save again. Now here you can see it is written, it returns a true value, means red color. Suppose that if I want to use here style, and right here background color is yellow, right? And after that I will save, and again now here you can see it is also still return a red color. So suppose that I want to set here yellow color, right? So it should return a yellow color. Now here you can see here. So this is a very simple way how to use ng switch in Angular framework. So if still you have any questions, so please put on my comment box, and please subscribe my channel, and please like my video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this. Thanks.